welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm not in my kitchen today baking up a storm. Today's video is basically about where is my channel going for 2021, meaning what kind of videos, baking and cooking videos, am I going to be doing? And a lot of that depends on you. I've done a lot of research on food trends for 2021, and let me tell you, there are many. A lot of the articles that I read indicated to me that many more of us are cooking and baking at home. People obviously are not eating out as much because of restrictions to restaurant dining. So they are taking advantage of their kitchens and cooking for themselves. So what are the food trends for people who are cooking for themselves at home in 2021? There were a lot, but I picked the top 4. Comfort food was huge. It came up a lot in my search. So when I think of comfort food, I think of soups, stews, macaroni and cheese, bread, fresh made pasta. So what are your ideas for comfort food? What makes comfort food for you? I'd love it if you'd share your ideas in the comments below. Another trend that came up quite a bit was cooking with condiments and sauces. When you're cooking chicken breast, let's say, or even shrimp, a flavor-packed condiment or sauce can do wonders for the dish. Easy side dishes came up too. Side dishes, vegetables, potatoes, polenta. What type of side dishes would you like to see videos on? So I'd like you to leave your ideas in the comments as well for that. Individual desserts came up a lot as well. No more blowing out the candles on your birthday cake and serving that cake up to your friends. Those days are long gone. Ideas for individual desserts might be desserts in a jar, like a trifle, or puddings, or little 4-inch mini cakes. Individual hand pies, or maybe mini pies. So what are some individual desserts that you might be craving for 2021? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really looking forward to 2021 and sharing some amazing cooking and videos with you. I love for you to go to my homepage, watch some videos, click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and then you won't miss out on anything. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you in 2021.